If you have a large family, you know how important it is to have a reliable hot water heater. Electric water heaters are a great option for families because they are energy efficient and have a variety of features that make them perfect for large families. In this video, we will take a look at the best electric hot water heaters for large families and what features make them the best. Our first choice is Eemax EEM24027 water heater. Eemax is a trusted name in water heaters, and the EEM24027 is one of their most popular models. This heater is perfect for small homes or apartments, as it can heat up to 2.4 gallons of water at a time. It's easy to use, with a simple dial control that lets you set the perfect temperature for your needs. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you'll save money on your utility bills. Our second choice is Rheem rtex 24 water heater. It is a tankless water heater that provides an endless supply of hot water. It is compact and can be mounted on a wall, making it ideal for small spaces. It is also energy efficient and has a self-cleaning feature that helps to prolong its lifespan. Our third choice is Ecosmart water heater. It is one of the most energy-efficient and eco-friendly water heaters on the market. It is made with high-quality materials that are designed to last, and it uses less energy than traditional water heaters. Ecosmart water heater is a great choice for those who want to save money on their energy bill and do their part to help the environment. Our fourth choice is Rinnai RL75 in hot water. If you're in the market for a new water heater, the Rinnai RL75 in is a great option to consider. This model is a natural gas tankless water heater, and it can provide up to 7.5 gallons of hot water per minute. That means that you'll never have to worry about running out of hot water, even if you have a large family or entertain guests often. Our last choice is Stiebel eltron water heater. If you are in the market for a new water heater, the Stiebel eltron may be the perfect option for you. With a variety of models to choose from, there is sure to be a Stiebel eltron water heater that fits your needs. Whether you are looking for a tankless water heater or a traditional storage tank water heater, Stiebel eltron has a model that will meet your hot water demands. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, that is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.